Guess what? Another unboxing day. Like a freaking golden turd. Anyways, my chroma keys for freaking out, but don't matter. Let's get into this thing. Part 2. I'm hoping this is what I think it is for the guitar. And it is. Let's go ahead. Let's open it a little bit better. How do I have to play? Oh, frickin' awesome. Here it is. In all of its glory. Oh. Freaking awesome. Feels like I'm gonna have to sand this a little bit. A little rough there. But straight. Very interesting. But a maple neck. Fender. We're sized. Let's see if it fits. We'll just do a dry fit right now because I'm excited and I want to see what it looks like. I'm just gonna have to change out the nut. Well, let's see how they go together. Uh-oh. Gonna have to thin it out. Yeah, just a little bit though. Work, work, work. But anyways, this will be a rough view of what it kind of looks like. But once this is all together, I can't wait. Gonna have to change out the nut. And I think I'm gonna go with a graphite. And then I'm just gonna sand down the back a little bit. Just fill these frets. All in all, not bad, not bad. I'm excited. So, essentially what I'm going for is kind of a supersonic Squier look. And on the body, we're also going to be moving up the volume up closer to the pickup and bring the switch selector down where the tone knob is and move that up. So everything's just going to shift up. And then I'm just going to putty in this pick guard so it looks clean. But yeah, can't wait. I'm freaking stoked. But anyways, that's an update. That was unpacking number 2. The third one will have tuning pegs, a plate, a roller nut, and then the graphite nut will come. And then we will have ourselves a cheaply made, well, cheaply put together Jazzmaster looking supersonic. But I can't wait. And hopefully we can get it to be very warm. That's what I'm looking to. It might be a little bit bright with the neck, but only time will tell. Oh, didn't show you. Skunk stripe. That's what's up with that. Okay. I will talk to you later. It's been real. Take care.